Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making dolma. It's one of my favorite dishes. Well, it's like an appetizer, but I guess I would call it like a dish as well. So I went ahead and put the 2 pounds of ground beef inside the bowl. I like having more meat inside than rice, and then I'll just show you how I spice it up. So I'm using 1.5 cups of rice. I'm going to add into the meat mixture. I'm just gonna get all of that out of there. And then normally it's 1 can of tomato paste, but we buy the one in the jar, the tomato paste in the jar. So it's like equivalent to like 1 can of tomato paste. So I'm just gonna add that in there. The tomato paste really gives it like a nice flavor, so you can't like replace it with like a tomato sauce. Like it has to be tomato paste. Okay, and I'm just gonna get all of that off there. And then I have some tamarind here. So I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of, whoops. Gonna be adding a tablespoon of tamarind. And just gonna put the lid back on that. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm working at the kitchen table because I feel like I needed more space, and the camera could sit better here. Okay, so I went ahead and minced up a whole head of garlic. So I'm gonna add that in there. Okay. Everything. I'm just gonna put that over there. Okay, now I cut up a lemon. So I'm gonna put half a lemon in here. So I like to do it this way so the seeds don't fall in, and if there's any seeds I can just like put it on the bag. Put that there. Take that seed out. Just squeeze that. You can also buy the lemon that is already like a juice, pure lemon juice, but I like using the fresh one. I think I'm gonna use another one, so full lemon. Depends on what your preference is, like taste wise, but I prefer to have the lemony flavor. I'm just gonna put those there. Get right in there and squeeze. All right. Okay, now normally it's like 2 tablespoons of salt because I have like a lot of mixture here that I have to mix, so I'm just eyeballing it because I know how much I need. Okay, and now I take my wooden spoon and just mix that. So I'm gonna like fold it in. Now if you want, you could wear some gloves and then mix it with your hand. But I ran out of my gloves that I use for cooking, so I'm just going to use a wooden spoon. I'm just going to mix that really good because I want the flavors to incorporate in there. Now other things that you can make with this are chicken that goes well. You can make a salad, some chicken legs, but these are like amazing. Like sometimes I like eating them just by themselves. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. This is sea salt, by the way. Artesian sea salt. I like the sea salt. It has a nice flavor and it's like better for you. Just gonna mix. There's the sun. The sun's coming out. It's like transitioning from summer to fall. So it's like a really hard time, like, because I really love summer. So it's been raining a lot, but the sun has come out, which I'm happy about. So hopefully when I finish, I can get out for a walk and enjoy the sun before it goes down. Okay, just gonna get that from the bottom. I think we're almost done here. I've also went ahead and I got the jar leaves, which are right there, without the stem. And I've just rinsed them and then put them on the cutting board. And then I also went ahead, I ran out of lamb bones, so I just cut up some onions. I put olive oil on the bottom, and then I put tamarind mixed with the olive oil, and then cut the onions up. Then I'll be putting the leaves on top of that, so the leaves don't get stuck to the bottom, and then it also gives it that extra flavor. So when I'm putting the water, pouring the water like over the leaves, the tamarind and the lemon and the olive oil and the onions are going to make kind of like a broth, which is going to give a lot of flavor to the leaves. So I think that's good for mixing. So I'm just gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna grab this plate, put this here. I put a bag under here so it doesn't get like really messy. So I'll show you how I am going to be rolling these. So I'm going to grab a leaf from here, which is really nice when the stem is off, because I think the hardest part is when you have to like take the stems off all the leaves, like from right there. But yeah, this one it's already like done. Okay, so then I'm gonna get the spoon the tamarind was in. I'm just gonna, so I forgot the other spoon, I'll just mix that around in there. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of the mixture, and then I'm just gonna place it like that. You don't want to like put a lot. It depends on how you like your leaves. Like if you like your Dolma big, then you'd put more. If you like them small and skinny, you just put a little bit. So then you're gonna take one side, we're gonna take the right side, and then we're gonna take the left side, and then you're gonna let them touch. Then you're gonna take the middle, and then you're just gonna start rolling. Then you're gonna tuck in the sides, and then you're gonna make sure it's tight. So you're gonna press gently so that it's nice and firm, and then it should look like that. So I'll just show you again. Make sure that it's unfolded. So you're gonna take some more of the mixture, and then put it in the middle like that. Fold over the right side, fold over the left side, and then fold down the middle, and then start rolling and then tucking it, and then pressing gently as you go down the middle, just like that. And then that's what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll be putting them on top of the onions. Whoops. And then I will be boiling it for 2 hours. And then when you're putting it in, you want to like, I'm going to start off in this direction, just like that. So I'm going to be going in rows. And then when I put in the next one, I'm going to be putting them that way. So we're going to start off this way. Hey guys, now I'm gonna start cooking it. So I put all the leaves here. So basically I'm gonna be starting off by putting some olive oil on top because the oil helps it cook better. So I'm just gonna like put it all around like that. And then I'm going to be adding more lemon. So I'm gonna be squeezing 2 lemons. I'm just gonna take the seeds out. And just gonna be, oh shoot, I just dropped one of the seeds. Oh, it's okay. There. So I'm just gonna squeeze. And then I'm gonna take the other half and squeeze it. It's just really gonna give it a good flavor. And then I'm gonna take, I don't use tap water when I'm cooking, so I have a distilled water here. You can see that, and I'm just gonna fill it. I don't want to fill it all the way to the top. I would say just enough to like, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go all around till I can kind of see it coming to the top. I think that's about it, because I'm going to be taking this and then I just kind of like push this down like that. So no, I don't have enough water yet because the water would have overflowed on top of the dish. This also helps keep the heat inside so the leaves cook better. So yeah, see how that when I push it, the water kind of goes on top, but it's not too much. I can actually put a little bit more. Perfect. And then now I'm going to turn the stove on high, and then until it boils, I'm going to turn it down a little bit and put the lid on, and that's going to cook for like 2 hours.